How to operate your circular saws. Subscribe for more videos. Circular saws are the tools used for making cuts and molding things. By using them, you can make angled, straight and cross cuts. In addition, you also can cut through large plywood or hardwood boards. However, if you are a new user and not familiar with how to use such saws, you need to be careful. Though versatile, they can prove to be dangerous when you are unaware of how to use them. Following tips will guide you regarding the use of a circular saw. First, inspect the saw and read operations manual properly to learn details about various parts. All saws have a handle, motor casing and trigger switches that you squeeze while operating the saw. Other parts of saw include the lever for making angled cuts, a metal plate which encircles saw called as foot, and spring-loaded guard which protects spinning saw blades. 2. Select saw blade which perfectly fits your needs of cutting and also install it in circular saw as per manufacturer's instructions. In addition, make any of the height adjustments of the blade prior to plugging in the saw. Now, set up the workbench or sawhorse for supporting material that you are planning to cut. Make sure that you do not place workbench or sawhorse in the blade's path. In addition, make use of clamps for securing unwieldy items which you may find difficult to cut. 4. Measure the material using tape and mark measurements by using pencil. Now take a scale for ensuring that measurement lines drawn by you are straight. The line drawn, you will form a cutting path. 5. Now, wear ear protection and safety glasses before you plug in the saw. After this, hold circular saw about 1 inch from material which you want to cut. Now hold and press the trigger switch on the handle to switch it on. 6. After cutting the material, release the trigger switch. The saw blades need to stop rotating completely before you keep it down. Safety is always a #1 concern when dealing with a saw, so it is important to always wear safety equipment when using your saw. Do not forget to subscribe for more updated videos.